Hello do-it-yourselfers, my name is Brian Elgar. Today I'm going to demonstrate the proper framing technique required to install a pet door into a wall. This side simulates the exterior side of a residential wall where our large wall mount pet door is to be applied. Factors such as the height off the ground, location of utilities, installation, and stud locations have all been addressed. By adding a horizontal crossmember at the top of the rough cut opening, we have something to secure the exterior and interior side of our wall application. We have already drawn a line locating the upper edge of the crossmember on both sides. By placing the bottom of our support block on that line and screwing it to the wall stud, we are providing a means to attach our crossmember into the wall. It's a cut.